Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, we are going to be doing a Temu haul. Now this is going to be a proper accessories haul. I have incorporated a lot of bags, sunglasses and jewelry stuff in this particular video. If this is something which interests you, then make sure you guys hook to the video till the end. And very thankful to Temu for sending across all the products that I'm about to share with you guys in today's video. And before getting into the actual video, make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe. And without further more delay, let's quickly jump right into the video. You guys, all the product links will be in the description box below. Also, you'll get a huge discount if you guys could go ahead use this particular coupon code while shopping from Temu. And I know you guys are going to thank me later. Best part about Temu is all of the products are very cost effective. You guys won't believe every product in this particular video is going to be under £3. Yes, I'm gonna save a lot of your money. So the first thing that I've got from Temu is this particular bag which says Mama. I think this is a really cute jute bag which I could definitely carry while grocery shopping or maybe in a day-to-day life, just for a quick run to a market or maybe meeting up my friends, or maybe carrying this as a tiffin bag while going to office, if that makes any sense. I absolutely love the quality of this particular bag. It has got a ziplock inside a bag and it has a good storage space, I would say. I got this bag for around 2.29 pounds and I must say I'm really obsessed with this particular bag. Next thing that I've got from Temu are this pair of earrings. Now these are like legit 24 pair of earrings inside this. These are like very good quality golden dainty earrings and I love the fact it has got such good quality and the variety is just bang on. You guys could see you have bunch of hoops, then you have this cute little butterfly, this shell, then some heart earrings. You guys, I'm gonna be visiting Tulip Flower Festival where I think this kind of dainty earrings are gonna look so good. Also, let's just admire this lock earrings, bunch of butterfly and then leaf earrings. I wish I was a college going girl. Probably I would have styled this pair of earrings on an everyday basis. Never mind, I'm still an office going girl, so I'm definitely going to slay all of these earrings in my office. And you guys won't believe this entire 24 pair of earrings, I got it for just 1.99 pounds. Oof, I have saved a lot, I must say. I saw this buckle pearl neck piece all over the internet and I was quite obsessed and I wanted one. Temu is here for my rescue. I got this particular set which has a neck piece and a bracelet, and you guys, the quality of this neck piece is top notch. It looks so freaking trendy. How can we miss on this particular bracelet? It looks so boho. I'm kind of obsessed with this particular neck piece and a bracelet set. Also, I cannot ignore this cute heart. You are supposed to wear this neck piece just like this. You guys could see this buckle thing right here. You'll have to put it inside this particular circle. Ooh la la, I'm just loving this. Got this one for just 69 pence. Yes, you guys heard it right. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed with this particular headband. This is a fluffy cloud shaped hair accessory which, if worn like this, looks so cute. Absolutely love the color. Lilac is my absolute favorite color. It comes with this particular thing which you can wear in your hands. So soft. It's quite fluffy. I absolutely love this particular headband. You guys know whenever there's going to be a skincare video, I'm gonna be wearing this off and showing it off. Got this one for £2.49, which I don't mind investing. Next thing that I have with me is a very cute bohemian bracelet. Now this is a set of 4 and I absolutely love the color. The pink is screaming elegance. You guys could see there is lot of butterfly charms associated with this bracelets. And I think I'm gonna stack a lot of bracelets because these days I just love stacking all the bracelets, and you guys could see it looks so cute on my wrist and just can't wait to roam around with this particular set of bracelets. Got this one for £1.19. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Next thing that I've got from Temu are 4 pair of sunglasses. Oh my god. Summer screen sunglasses. So here we go. We have got a lot of stylish sunglasses. I absolutely love this one. This kind of gives that influenza vibes. Next one is a basic one, but it has got a cat eye detailing. This one is black color. This is pretty basic, and I think those who love wearing basic stuff would definitely enjoy wearing this. This one also looks good on me. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments. Next one is my absolute favorite. I love leopard printed sunglasses, and this frame. This looks good too. Who's this pretty girl? I absolutely love this one too. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see this leopard print, but we are kind of obsessed with this. Last one is quite different, and I have never worn anything like this. I don't know how to describe this particular color, but this transparent sunglasses looks cool too on me. Yeah, I have found another love. Gorgeous. Love, love, love it on me. I must say the quality of all of the sunglasses is top notch, and I can't wait to hold few more sunglasses from Temu. This set of 4 retro sunglasses were just for £6.99. Looking at the quality, I'm not disappointed with this purchase. Next we have bunch of 24 rings. I'm going crazy about. So there are 24 rings which I could easily stack over all of my fingers. Let's just ignore my ugly nails if you can. I didn't got any time to do my nails, so here's how you guys could easily stack to get that pretty bohemian vibe. All of them are in pretty golden color, and of course such golden rings go good with dusky skin. Looks very cute. So there are a lot of rhinestone rings in this as well. Don't you guys think such kind of statement rings can add so much of style to your everyday basic look? Let's go from 0 to 10 in seconds by stacking these rings on your finger. Got this 24 set of rings for £1.59. Are you someone who loves to wear nose pins but you hate piercing? If yes, I've got you covered. These days I'm just obsessed with nose pins, and I love wearing it and showing it off to the world. So this one is the flower nose pin. This kind of looks cute and gives that bold look at the same time. So why not? Got this one for 89 pence. I've got 2 hair accessories from Temu. Both of them look so cute. This one is a bow hair accessory. I've got one in red color, another one in white color. Got this particular hair tie accessory for just 69 pence, and I'm just obsessed. When I'll be visiting Tulip Flower Festival, I'm definitely going to wear this one because my outfit is of white color, and I think this is going to look so beautiful in the flower field. Next thing that I've got from Temu is this very trendy heart ear jacket, and this is so trendy. I'm gonna insert a clip for you guys to show how you guys could wear this, and this is quite delicate and looks very elegant. Seen many influencers trying it out, and this looks so classy. A perfect earring for everyday basis. I got this one for 69 pence. What would I even get in 69 pence? I'm just obsessed. Next thing that I've got from Temu is a pair of earrings, which is again very trendy on the internet, and this looks so cute. I love this flower. It's also not that lightweight. This is a bit heavy, so girls who love wearing heavy earrings might go ahead with this. This flower stud earring is going to look so much elegant in carrying all of your retro looks. So why not? This is a very exaggerated flower, I know, and I got this one for just 49 pence. Imagine 49 pence and this exaggerated flower studded earrings. I'm really excited to show you guys the next neck piece. Oh my god, it has my initial P. This is the only reason why I got this one. I think this kind of delicate neck piece is going to look so good with your everyday basic look. And look at it, it still looks good even though I've stacked so many neck pieces over my neck. I am loving it. Nothing can beat this quality, definitely, but of course I'm gonna test it more by going in the sun if I get to see a sun. What a hilarious rhyme, man. Got this initial letter pendant neck piece for just £1 and 49 pence. We are approaching to the end of this particular haul. I have one last thing to share with you guys. This is quite a nice bohemian neck piece. Okay, so it's a set of 3 neck pieces. Okay, why is it so difficult, man? Okay, now I think you guys are able to see it properly. I think all your summer outfits are gonna look very pretty stacking this particular neck piece on your neck. You are gonna look stunning, trust me on that. Got this set of 3 neck pieces for just 79 pence and my heart is full, guys. So yeah, that is it for today's Temu's haul. If you guys want to see many more hauls like this, make sure you guys comment in numbers, and as usual I'm gonna link all the products in the description box below for you guys to purchase. That is it for today's video. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.